All right, all right. Welcome to Game Traders Weekly Recap. Welcome to Game Traders Weekly Recap. All right, great. So this channel I actually uploaded a video a couple of weeks. That's talking about understanding pullback, right, on the BTC chart and all. But currently, I'm looking at currency pairs. Don't talk about the trades I took this week. This week, as you all know, basically it's NFP week, and this is a new month. So the um, the first Friday of the month, I kind of happened to be NFP as well, and just amazing. I mean, the last NFP was happened on Thursday, so this NFP happened. It was injected like for a real move, and we saw the real move happen. So first things first, I'll just talk about the trades I took. So and now we'll look at that from my journal. Okay, the first trade I took this week, I think it was a long. I took a long this week first, and it was on GU. I got stuck there. So we just look at the trades together, the recap of the trade, why I took the trade, my buyer from the trade, and why I clearly executed and got this loss in the trade. Alright, so let's look at GU. We outside. Alright, great. So GU is really bearish. So around Monday when I was looking to take the long was I knew market was bearish, like clearly from the weekly time frame we could see that. But I wanted to trade into an internal range liquidity to try expand from there. Right, it was clear that package is dropping. So right about I was around this point and I saw price taking out the slow already. Not close to the slow kind of, but it just went down. This goes down where I executed from what I saw in the 30 minutes time frame. Let me take the trade. So let me turn on my position size. Right. So the trade it's a good one in my honest opinion. So yeah, this was exactly what I saw. So when we arrived on Monday, I saw that price has taken out previous week's low. This previous week's low, I can't remember. I think it was Friday's low, not the previous week's low. Price took out Friday's low, basically. And I was saying this reaction to the upside, and I saw this read that happened even pre New York session. I traded New York session mainly. I'm a New York session trader. So I saw this happening and I saw this every day and basically saying that okay, this is a displacement change of delivery and we're expecting price to go higher. Why should price go higher? Why am I expecting price to go higher on the Monday? So on that Monday, I was expecting price to go higher. Why? Simply because price should go higher to fill in there's some gaps that were above. I will show you my some gaps were above here. I think on the front. Let me go to my chart. So we had it there. Right. So I had a gap I was looking at. I was looking price to go at least to fill it before dropping, but I mean I knew I was going against order flow as well. But the trading just started going in my direction. I really got confident in it, right? It just started going in my direction at some point. This and I skilled in. So I skilled in. I wrote it in my journal how I'm on the trade, how I felt and everything. So I scaled in. Why did I scale in? Right. Let me explain that. I lost about 0.5% on those trades, 0.5. So I scaled in because I saw confirmations on 5 minutes. Although execution was done on the 30 minutes, 15 minutes together, but so I saw confirmations. Okay, this thing should if this should continue going higher, should expect this other block that was formed on the 5 minutes change of the outside, knowing that here was the liquidity rate price going higher. So but I was just wrong and it happened to be price rejected and we started going lower and that was it. So I didn't trade I didn't trade GU again this week. I traded on Tuesday and I traded it on when I traded UJ instead. My next pair I traded was UJ and that was when that was I traded UJ on Tuesday. Right, so UJ on Tuesday. This trade, I'm even trying to recall this trade I took here. I didn't journal, but I took okay. I was expecting a sell. Yeah. So I took a sell here, expecting that the dollar would be weak. Right, so as I was buying GU on Monday, but this sell I took was not on my proper rate, it was just me playing with the market, which was profitable, but it just me playing with the market. I just remember now why I took this sell on Monday for UJ. But then okay, so this was the trade I was willing to take like with real capital and all. So this trade I executed it was sniper entry, sniper one man, sniper one like no cap, but it just got and it got to 12. It got to 2 hours. The idea behind the trade was I was looking to go from the internal to the external liquidity, which in terms of the weekly context of for UJ is bullish. It has been bullish. So I was expecting that price should continue going. I was expecting price to all this high that was happening. I was expecting it to happen on Tuesday. But price for what it is, that's not what it is. So what price really did was a price. I see the price to follow the roadmap because on Monday the low was printed. I expected the low to print on Monday, which it did. Then I wanted to buy it to continue the narrative, but price didn't just want to print Tuesday as its low. So price came low on Wednesday to take out Tuesday's low and print the second low of the week to continue going higher. You can imagine. So, but then it's what it is. I didn't actually even close the other position, the position I had. I was looking to hold it for the expansion higher, but I was just market was not just wanting to do what it wanted to do, what it should do. Either I wanted to do, my timing was just off. So that was it. Like entered around this area, this AVG, so they are external targeting it. So eventually, eventually, what I was not expecting was that price should go higher, but I just broke even on the trade. But I'll be honest, when the trade stopped me off a break even, it actually hurt. It hurt like I felt it. But I mean, that's it with trading. There's no kind of emotions that you won't feel as a trader and not be able to relate to real life things. So that this was a clean entry, like clean one. And price went to 2 hours. I was in on break even. I was expecting that the news would pump it to the to higher prices too. That's why I was like, okay. When I also price rejecting after during 2 o'clock, that's in New York time, that's around 9, right? 9 a.m. So I was kind of skeptical in a way too, but regardless, it's what it is. The trade was valid and we mark it out as a break-even trade. All good. So let me present that out. So we mark it out as a break-even trade. So that was a break-even. The trade got to 2 hour marks, right? So nothing was back on this trade. Nothing was lost. So trade was a clean one. I mean, just a clean one. Do I have the execution procedure? Over time from confirmation, I should have it, right? This was when trade was going well. I was expecting it to keep on going higher, but bro, it's what it is, man. My target was clear, but pricing just want to go to my target with me in it, and I take it for what it is. So this week for me is like literally like I would say like a losing week because I lost about 0.5 overall. Like I'll say I ended the week flat. So that's that for me in terms of trading week and what we have. So that's the recap for this week. So that being said, let me vibe to my song one last time. Boom. We go day alright, cause Jesus dey my side. So I mean this was successful one. I'll also do a video on something like this next week on trades I will take, and we'll keep growing and keep getting better, and my channel will also be on track. So peace and out and I'm out. How many minutes videos is about 8 minutes. So that's it. So we could see how the weekly candle printed. This market, you just need to understand that markets would always do things, even though you are in it or even though you are not in it. It will always do what it will want to do. It will always do what it want to do. I really why I once started trading on right now, so we could see the weekly candle. Let's read the quick and what happened. So on Monday, market open, weekly open, right? Market started expanding higher. Market expanded higher from Wednesday. I thought it would be Tuesday, so from Wednesday the expansion started and fulfilled the objective of the week. And now the eye of the week printed, and price took it out like today, pointing out August high, probably, and now dumping into weekly open. So I'm not surprised what happened. So you can't do my look club. Something like this. After this expansion, people that are holding to it now, price is rejecting. So it's what it is. It's what it is. So we keep getting better every single day. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. So DXY. I mean, I know from the very best. I have a lot of people I look up to in the internet space, and I mean in the trading space, as internet space. So eyes on DXY being bearish. Like it's very loud on it, like being bearish. Why? Because we have displacement to the downside. Price took out the swing low, which not really happen right now. And if I go to 1 month time frame, we could see that price is reacting from a breaker right here, right about here. But like who is to say price will not come out as mitigated even more and drop? Or I don't know. But I believe these gaps are like breakaway gap that price might not come to feel, but maybe this because of the way this third candle printed. But however, I would find out as the market would progress. So that's that. I only just look at I trade majorly for currency pairs. Was where I said with BSC was I was starting looking into Bitcoin trading and all, but I think I'll still keep with Forex with on the currency market, and as we keep growing, maybe in the future we'll look into trading all those ones when I have like a lot of appetite to risk in the market if I got that right. Well, with that being said, that's that. Please, if you do enjoy the video and if you do like want to support the growth and learn one or two things, you could just leave a like, subscribe, peace and love. And this is me, Games Trader Weekly Recap, and I'm out. Peace.